Flowers are the most preferred gifts for special occasions like a wedding, Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. In fact, the phrase, "say it with flowers," has become popular for this reason. Flowers are beautiful and easy on the purse. However, in this video we look at some of the rarest and most expensive flowers around the world. 2024 Most Expensive Flowers in the World. 1. Kumpul flowers are the queen of the night. This flower is priceless because it is rare and cannot be harvested. Kumpul is a cactus actually, and blossoms only at night. It emanates a soothing, lovely scent. Kumpul lives only for a few hours after it is picked, hence it is not possible to sell this exotic and unique flower. Rarest and most expensive. The Kumpul flower tops the list as the most priceless flower due to its inability to be harvested and its short lifespan. Why is the Kumpul flower considered priceless? The Kumpul flower is considered priceless because it is incredibly rare, blooms only at night, and wilts just a few hours after being picked, making it impossible to sell. 2. Juliet Rose. Creator David Austin took 15 years to grow this lovely flower. He showcased it to the world at the Chelsea Flower Show in 2006. The rose is worth £3 million or about $15.8 million. High value. The Juliet Rose, developed by David Austin, holds a staggering value of $15.8 million, showcasing the intense dedication and time required for its cultivation. What makes the Juliet Rose so expensive? The Juliet Rose is expensive due to the 15 years of dedicated cultivation by creator David Austin, and its showcase value at the Chelsea Flower Show, resulting in its $15.8 million price tag. 3. Shenzhen N Orchids. This orchid is a man-made flower and is named after the group of researchers who originally cultivated it. It took them 8 long years to breed this flower and observe it. The high price is for its beauty, rarity, background and difficulty in cultivation. The orchid takes about 5 years to blossom and has a delicate taste. Man-made innovations. The Shenzhen N Orchid demonstrates how scientific research and artificial cultivation can result in highly valuable and rare floral species. How was the Shenzhen N Orchid developed? The Shenzhen N Orchid is a man-made flower, developed by a group of researchers over 8 years. Its high price is due to its rarity, beauty, and the extensive research and cultivation process involved. 4. Gold of Kinabalu Orchids. This flower is extremely expensive because of its beauty and rarity. It has lovely green petals embellished with red dots, and is grown only in Malaysia's Kinabalu National Park. It is difficult to cultivate this flower as it takes many years to appear. Its rarity and high price have earned this orchid the moniker, Gold of Kinabalu. Geographical rarity. The Gold of Kinabalu orchid, found only in Malaysia's Kinabalu National Park, is a prime example of how geographical exclusivity can enhance a flower's value. Where is the Gold of Kinabalu orchid found, and why is it so expensive? The Gold of Kinabalu orchid is found only in Malaysia's Kinabalu National Park. Its high price is due to its rarity, beauty, and the difficulty in cultivating it, often taking years to bloom. 5. Saffron crocus. Saffron is a popular spice that is used for coloring and high seasoning in many cuisines. The flower has purple color with a yellow stamen. But preparing spice from this flower is very difficult as about 80,000 flowers are used to extract just 500 grams of spice. However, the hard work is worth it as saffron spice is in great demand. Labor-intensive cultivation. Flowers like the saffron crocus require enormous effort to produce valuable derivatives, driving up their cost. What factors contribute to the high cost of the saffron crocus? The high cost of the saffron crocus is due to the labor-intensive process of producing saffron spice, requiring 80,000 flowers to extract just 500 grams of the spice. Flowers are the precious and beautiful gift of nature to humans. And some flowers are so beautiful and rare that they become the most expensive flowers in the world. If you think that you have watched about expensive things a lot, then you should think again. You may think that flowers can't sell for millions, but here is an awakening proof for you. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.